Hello friends, today we are see about बेकमन रीअरेंजमेंट। हम आज बेकमन रीअरेंजमेंट के बारे में देखेंगे। अगर आपको ये रीअरेंजमेंट अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। सो बेकमन रीअरेंजमेंट, व्हाट इज बेकमन रीअरेंजमेंट? द एसिड कैटालाइज्ड कन्वर्शन ऑफ कीटोक्साइन्स टू अमाइड्स इज नोन एज द बेकमन रीअरेंजमेंट। हमने देखा है कीटोक्साइम मीन्स double bond NOH group is called as oxime group. So this ketoxime react with acid, gives amide, that is C double bond O NH group, that is amide group. The Beckmann rearrangement named after the German chemist. This rearrangement is occur in both cyclic and acyclic compound. Aldoximes are less reactive. Cyclic oximes yield lactams and acyclic oxime yield amides. So most of the reagents are used in these reactions: concentrated H2SO4, HCl, PCl5, PCl3, SOCl2, ZNO, SiO2, PPA. So commonly used reagent is concentrated H2SO4. So this ketoxime, first of all, ketone convert into ketoxime by using hydroxylamine. After that, this ketoxime react with acid, concentrated H2SO4, and gives amide. So let us see the reaction mechanism. Reaction mechanism देखेंगे. Oxime, in which double bond NOH group, that is oxime group. This oxime group react with acid. From this H plus proton, this OH abstract the proton. हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप OH ग्रुप प्रोटॉन को abstract करता है and formation of this OH2 plus cation and formation of this OH2 plus cation, and at the same time the rearrangement is here when this OH group leaving from nitrogen, this H2O water group leaving from nitrogen, at the same time these R shift their bond, R1 shift the bond to CN in between carbon and nitrogen, and at that time this R1 alkyl group goes to the nitrogen. So we have to see in this bracket R2C triple bond N R1, that is in at the N there is a positive charge. Then rearrangement, after rearrangement, then R2C double bond N R. So the carbon is a carbocation, this carbon is carbocation. After addition of water molecule on this carbocation gives this intermediate product, and after the loss of hydrogen gives hydroxyl group, is formation of hydroxyl group on that carbon, and this is enolic form, enol means C double bond and OH group. So this enol form convert into keto form, this is called as tautomerism, keto enol or enol keto tautomerism, that is C double bond OH convert into C double bond O, and hydrogen of that OH goes to NH group. So the formation of amide. So example is cyclic ketone, that is a cyclohexanone, first convert into cyclohexanoxime, which react with acid, gives caprolactam, that is nylon 6. This rearrangement takes place an alkyl migration with exclusion of the hydroxy group to form a नाइट्रोलियम आयन फॉलोड बाय हाइड्रोलाइसिस. सो हम देखेंगे इसमें बेकमन रीअरेंजमेंट देखेंगे इसमें भी. सो ऑक्साइम ग्रुप, in which this oxime group react with H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4, that is HOSO3H, this is H2SO4. this OH group, hydroxyl group, abstract a proton from acid and give the step second. In this step second, this is a rate determining step. The H2O positive abstract a bond towards it and remove water molecule. At the same time, the bond between carbon number 1 and 2 from the ring goes to nitrogen and the formation of this 7-membered ring इंक्लूडिंग नाइट्रोजन. हमने देखा कि पहले रिंग में नाइट्रोजन बाहर था, ऑक्साइम ग्रुप ऑक्साइम फॉर्म में था, एंड आफ्टर द रीअरेंजमेंट दिस नाइट्रोजन इज इंक्लूडेड इन द रिंग एंड द रिंग इज एक्सपांड. ये एक मतलब बहुत अच्छा उदाहरण है इसमें कि इसमें नाइट्रोजन ग्रुप ये रिंग में आ जाता है और जो भी रिंग है 5 मेंबर्ड हो 6 मेंबर्ड हो, अगर वैसी रिंग है तो कन्वर्ट इनटू 5 membered ring convert to 6 membered, 6 membered convert to 7 membered. So after the attack at carbocation, step 3, when H2O water molecule is attack on that carbocation and formation of this intermediate, at that time in step 4, this H taken from acid, leave it, and formation of step number 5. In these tautomerisms happen and this keto enol form convert into keto form and formation of amide. So migratory aptitude, इसमें इसकी स्टीरियोकेमिस्ट्री हम देखेंगे कि अगर ये ऑक्साइम एंटी आइसोमर है, एंटी आइसोमर मीन्स दिस OH group is anti to phenyl ring, that is phenyl ring and OH group are trans to each other. When react with acid gives amide, and this amide is faster, this reaction is very faster, and if syn isomer is used the reaction is slower. So migratory aptitude is, and that is stereochemistry of this reaction is anti-isomer, formation of anti-isomer. Then application, first application is very common, formation of paracetamol. In these involve when phenol react with acetic anhydride catalyzed by HF, conversion of the ketone to a ketoxime with hydroxylamine followed by acid catalyzed Beckmann rearrangement. सो हम देखेंगे कि यहाँ पे जो कीटोन फॉर्म हुआ है वो कीटोन हाइड्रोक्सिलामाइन के साथ रिएक्ट होने के बाद वहाँ पे रिएक्ट होने के बाद वहाँ पे ऑक्साइम फॉर्म होता है, एंड दिस ऑक्साइम रिएक्ट विथ एसिड गिव्स amide, that is paracetamol. The next example is here, cyclododecanone can be converted to corresponding lactam, that is nylon 12. In this reaction double bond NOH group is converted into C double bond O, and this NH is included in ring. The Beckmann rearrangement, also a nylon 6 is example. सो हम देखेंगे कि साइक्लोहेक्सानोन कन्वर्ट इनटू कैप्रोलैक्टम मींस 6 मेंबर्ड रिंग कन्वर्ट इनटू 7 मेंबर्ड इंक्लूडिंग नाइट्रोजन. ओके, सो थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू. आपको अगर ये अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.